Let me ask you something. Have you ever made a decision, maybe even a good one, and not even 2 minutes later, your brain starts questioning everything? Was that really the right choice? Should I have done something else instead? Maybe the other option would have been better. One tiny doubt triggers a mental spiral. And before you know it, you're not just doubting the decision, you're doubting yourself. Your whole day feels off. Your confidence? Gone. And deep down, it feels like you're the one holding yourself back, like you're constantly sabotaging your own peace. But what if I told you, it's not really your fault, that your brain is literally wired to make you second guess yourself? And what if I told you there are simple strategies to break this cycle once and for all? In this video, we'll dive deep into exactly that. An emotional, practical, and science-backed journey into the psychology of doubt and the path back to inner clarity and confidence. So take a breath, stay with me till the end, and let's shift something big together. Part 1, your brain isn't your enemy, but it loves drama. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Your brain is not designed to make you happy. It's designed to keep you safe. And that means it's obsessed with danger, even imaginary danger. In psychology, this is called the negativity bias. It means that your brain gives more weight to bad experiences than good ones. Picture this. You had a great day, nailed your work presentation, finally went to the gym, ate healthy, you're feeling good. But then on your way home, you wave at someone and realize they weren't waving at you. Cringe? Sure. Important? Not really. And yet, that's the moment you're thinking about when your head hits the pillow. Not the wins, not the applause, just that one awkward second. Why wow? Because your brain thinks negative experiences are more important. And it gets worse. Your brain doesn't just remember the bad stuff. It exaggerates it. That one awkward comment in a meeting becomes a full-blown failure in your mind. One strange look becomes, they probably hate me. Your brain is a talented drama queen, and unfortunately, a very convincing one. But you're not crazy. You're human. And now that you understand what your brain is doing, you've already taken the first step back to clarity. Part 2, the illusion of the perfect decision. Let's talk about something that keeps us stuck. The idea that there's always a perfect decision, and if we didn't choose it, we failed. But here's the truth. That's an illusion. Every decision you have ever made was based on what you knew, how you felt, and what your life looked like in that exact moment. Not based on who you are now, not based on the wisdom you gained later. It's easy to say, I should have done this instead, when you already know the outcome. That's hindsight talking, not truth. So please stop punishing your past self for not having future information. You didn't mess up. You made a choice with the tools you had at the time, and that doesn't make you wrong. That makes you real. Part 3, the Uber Eats paradox and what it reveals about your life. Let's get practical. Ever ordered food on an app, and the second you hit confirm, your brain goes, wait, maybe I should have gotten pizza or sushi. Was this place even good? That's the Uber Eats paradox, and it's more profound than it sounds. Because even after the decision is made, your brain keeps spinning, trying to optimize something that's already done. And the funny thing, the food is already on its way. There's nothing left to decide. But your brain doesn't care. It wants to perfect the past. Now imagine this happening with bigger life choices. Your career, your relationship, your home. The doubts multiply. The stakes feel higher. The mental load becomes exhausting. And that's exactly why we need tools to deal with it. Part 4, 4 strategies to stop overthinking. Let me give you 4 simple tools that you can use right now to get out of your head and back into your life. 1, the reality check. Will this still matter? Next time you're spiraling, ask yourself, will this still matter in a week, a month, a year? Most of the time, the answer is no. You're spending more energy doubting than the decision was even worth. 2, the 5-second rule. Break the cycle. When you catch yourself overthinking, count down from five, four, three, two, one, and then say out loud, halt, stop, move on. It sounds simple, but it interrupts the pattern. And when you break the loop, you take back control. 3, redirect your mind, give it a better task. Your brain wants to think. That's not the problem. The problem is what it's thinking about. So instead of, why did I say that? Ask, what can I do right now to make the rest of this day feel good? It's not about shutting off your mind. It's about pointing it somewhere useful. 4, the best friend test. Flip the perspective. If someone you love made the same decision and started doubting themselves, what would you say? Exactly, you'd probably tell them, it's no big deal, you did your best. That same compassion, you deserve it too. Part 5, what if it really was a bad call? Okay, let's get honest. Sometimes we really do make bad choices. A job that drained you, an investment you regret, a relationship that hurt more than it healed. But here's the key, don't stay stuck in regret, go into reflection. Think of your life like a lab, every mistake, data, every failure, a valuable result. Now you know what doesn't work. Now you know what you need, and that's powerful. This isn't about being perfect. It's about getting better. And growth always starts where blame ends. Part 6, use your awkward moments as fuel. Let's be real. We all have those cringe moments. Saying enjoy your meal to the waiter, laughing at the wrong time, calling someone the wrong name. Don't bury those moments in shame. Choose them. Tell the story. Laugh with your friends. Let it be a funny memory, not a mental prison. Because when you stop taking yourself so seriously, something beautiful happens. You become free. Part 7, the real difference between overthinkers and doers. Here's the truth no one tells you. Smart people overthink. Happy people make decisions and move on. You don't have to silence your mind, but you can stop attacking yourself with it. You are not the sum of your bad decisions. You are the sum of what you've learned from them. So let me ask you, what kind of person do you want to be moving forward? Right now, you get to decide. Do you keep living in regret, or do you start living with intention? You can choose to forgive your past self. You can choose to trust your present self. And you can choose to shape a future that's not ruled by fear, but by clarity. If you want help on that journey, check out my shop. I've created tools, ebooks, and worksheets that are designed to bring you more clarity, confidence, and alignment. The link's in the description. And if this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet, because this is just the beginning. And remember, the best decision you can make today is to finally trust yourself. You've got this.